Top 15. Giant stainless steel analog, automatic movement, water resistant to 200 meters. Top 14. Gold tone wrist watch, 40mm stainless steel case, manual dial window, Japanese quartz movement with analog display, leather band with buckle collar, water resistant to 30 meters. Top 13. Silver dial enhanced by luminous black hands, silver tone stainless steel case, quartz movement, 100 meters water resistance, fixed bezel, scratch resistant manner crystal, solid case back, fold over cloth, screwed on crown. Top 12. 40.5mm case diameter, manner crystal, Japanese automatic movement stainless steel case, 22mm legs, water resistant to 50 meters. Top 11. Sapphire crystal watch, sun and moon display, Japanese automatic movement, case diameter 42.5mm, water resistant to 50 meters. Top 10. Dial window material type manual, display type analog, case material stainless steel, case diameter 42mm, band material leather, band length 9.5 inches, top 9. 40mm case diameter, 20mm lug width, manual crystal watch, 100m water resistance. Top 8. Hand winding watch, hacking movement, case diameter 46mm, power reserve approximate 40 hours. Top 7. Sapphire crystal watch, date window function, exhibition case back, 50m water resistance, 40mm case diameter, 11.5mm case thickness, Top 6. Open hard dial watch. Domed Manor crystal. 43 mm case without crown. 11.47 mm case thickness. 50 meters water resistance. Top 5. 120 clock unidirectional bezel. Date and date indicator function. 200 meter water resistance depth. Stainless steel case. Screw down crown. 41.5 mm case diameter. Top 4. 41.5 mm case diameter. Screw down crown. 200 meter water resistance. Stainless steel case. Top 3. Self-winding watch. Hand winding movement. 200 meter water resistance. Stainless steel case. Screw down crown. Top 2. 120 clock unidirectional bezel. Date and date indicator function. 200 meter water resistance. Screw down crown. 41.5 millimeters case diameter. Top 1. 47 millimeters case diameter. Sapphire crystal watch. Japanese automatic movement. Water resistant to 330 feet.